Hey everyone, in this video we will be unboxing the iPhone Pro. I got it in gold, 1 terabyte. I anticipate shooting a lot of video with this stuff, so I beefed it up as big as I could. Also, you want to protect this thing, so I got Apple's clear case. We're gonna unbox both of these things, put them both together, see how snug they are, see how they look, see how they fit, and see if maybe this is a good purchase for you. So come on, let's check it out. We got our new iPhone Pro in gold. Then we have our clear case from Apple. So let's start with the iPhone. Looking good so far. Normal stuff. No charger though. There is no charger with these phones. Nice and shiny. Looking good so far. I've already put plenty of fingerprints on it. And off that goes. So here is our case. Let's pop this on. I like to do it right away. Very clear. Apple says these are optically clear polycarbonate and flexible materials used, and also features a scratch-resistant coating. One thing I've noticed with clear cases is that over time they start to yellow, and this is something that Apple is claiming will not happen over time with this one. Let's pop this out. So it's extremely glossy, shiny around the edge, and doesn't take much to pick up tons of fingerprints as well. So let's just give this guy a little polish before we pop it in. It's clear case forever. Already touching it, putting fingerprints on again. Oh, there we go. Just pops right in. Nice. So it pops in. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I can see some fingerprints in there though still. So this is MagSafe ready. And one of the best purchases that I've ever gotten was battery pack for my old cell phone. These days, Apple makes its own battery solution. So I picked up one of these. This is $100. It's supposed to, oh yeah, fits right on. Clicks on. Fairly tight. Yep, your little battery light goes on. So not bad. I like this, and I do like this clear case a lot. This is feeling really good. Feels really safe, secure. Feels like I'm ready to drop it soon and be okay with what happens. So there's our look at the new iPhone Pro with the clear case on it. So thanks for watching everyone, and come back to check out more videos on the iPhone that we're going to be shooting all this month. We got a lot of stuff. We're swimming in Apple products here, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.